Do you find yourself constantly thinking, overthinking even about your work, about your life, about your relationships, about so many things? And this may be normal, you may think. I've come to realize that environment plays a big role in how we feel, in whether we are in our head thinking or we are more present, more enjoying the moment, life, nature. It's because everything emanates a certain energy. And in the city, in addition to the EMF, electromagnetic waves, and so much of disturbing, disruptive frequencies going on a level that we cannot see, you have also people being in a survival kind of mindset of constantly thinking, constantly being in their head. There's a lot of mental chatter. And therefore, naturally, that becomes the predominant energy and it pulls us to also think in the same way. And I found this very different experience when I was out traveling in Tulum, for example,